everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In today's episode, we will be learning how to enable Passkey on PayPal. To enable a Passkey on PayPal, go ahead and open up your PayPal application and log into your account. After you're signed into your account, click on the human icon at the top right corner of the screen. From your profile section, tap on Login and Security. Now, click on Passkey at the top and then log into your PayPal account by entering your password once again. Click on Login once you are done and then on the next page, tap on Create a Passkey. PayPal will then prompt you to confirm your identity using your device's biometrics or PIN. Tap on Continue in order to do so, and once you do that, tap on the Continue button to scan your Face ID or biometrics or Touch ID, and then you will be able to enable Passkey on PayPal. A Passkey is a secure, passwordless login option that uses your device's biometric or PIN authentication. It is faster and more secure than traditional password. Now you can easily log into your PayPal account with a quick biometric scan or PIN instead of typing a password. So that is how you enable Passkey on PayPal. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.